Looking for the ultimate gaming powerhouse? Dive into our honest review of the Alienware 16X Aurora, equipped with the formidable Nvidia GeForce RTX 5070 graphics. This 2025 Windows laptop isn't just another machine. It's a stellar mid-ranger that delivers astonishing performance for its price point. Imagine getting comparable power to laptops costing thousands more, all packed into a machine around $2,000. It boasts a brand new Intel Core Ultra 9275HX CPU, making it one of the fastest laptops we've ever tested, effortlessly handling AAA games. You'll love its incredible 240Hz matte display, a game changer for comfortable viewing, and that dreamy, clicky keyboard. However, prepare for loud fans during intense gaming sessions and plan your battery life, as it's best parked at a desk. The sleek interstellar indigo design offers a premium feel, avoiding the typical flashy gaming aesthetics. Ready to upgrade your setup? Find links to buy the Alienware 16X Aurora in the description below.